Greetings and welcome to Lesotho Hub. This is a channel where we explore the country of Lesotho. We look at its history, its politics, current affairs, sports, pressing issues, and many more. Today I want to start off this video by expressing my strong condemnation of the current government of Lesotho. In my opinion, it is the worst democratically elected government of Lesotho. I am currently in South Africa while recording this video because it is made illegal to speak on the subject that I'm speaking on while within the borders of the country. That's how sad it is. So recently, as of 10th of May 2024, the government issued a gazette, a legal notice titled, here's the gazette, it's titled Internal Security Declaration of Unlawful Organization. The gazette goes on to declare this list of organizations as unlawful by reason of being involved in or promoting or encouraging subversive activities. So this list is a list of FAMO music organizations. The most common, most dominant FAMO music organizations are listed here. Let me explain what FAMO is. FAMO music is the only commercial and popular traditional Basotho music that is played in the country and in the neighboring countries, let me say across the world. So when you speak of traditional Basotho music, you think of FAMO music. It is the only money-making music that Basotho have. This music is popular in the country and neighboring countries. Within the borders of Lesotho, the music is mostly common in the rural areas where Basotho still upholds their traditional identity. They're still proud of being Basotho. The culture is still intact. That's where you find that this music is mostly played because it's purely made in Lesotho and usually use strong quality Basotho language. Okay, so following the release of the gazette, there was a press briefing, where the acting police commissioner Mahlape Morai explained the meaning behind declaring this music organizations illegal in the country. And here's the clip.
Dikurupu tse ding tsa dikobo kapo tsa FAMO di se molaong o ipapisitse fela le hore ke tlolo ya molao go supporta any of those groups ha ile fela eba o promoter dithahasello tsa bona kapo you are encouraging thahasello ya group eno e teng mono le thathamong. If you are promoting you are promoting mino wa FAMO kapo you are encouraging, you are supporting it in any way, taba tseno tsa FAMO kapo tsa kubo eno e teng mono taba eo ka bo yona ke tlolo ya molao. Jwale ntse ha eba o mametse mmino ono, are you encouraging kapo are you supporting? Ha ngala ke mamela mmino, it means I'm supporting you. Ha ke go jalo ke belela hore ke a support. Ha ngala ke o mametse hlile ke re I'm supporting you. Me ha eba ningihle I'm supporting you. Isentse ki phatlalatsa jwale ke etsa tlolo ya molao ka ho etsa jwalo. Ke nka ya gabela jwalo yeno ya mmino wa FAMO tsena tse ding tate di siputla ba sa di ya gabela.
So after listening to the clip and having seen the gazette, you begin to understand the gravity of this declaration. The government of Lesotho has made it illegal for Basotho to enjoy their traditional Basotho music. The government of Lesotho is controlling what music is circulating within the borders of the country. The country of Lesotho is choosing what music its citizens play in the comfort of their homes, in their cars, in the concerts, wherever. It gets even worse. The government of Lesotho is choosing which topics the media within the country should report on. They've made it illegal and punishable to speak on matters of farm. This is some high-level dictatorship. This is like finest quality, man. If you read 1984 by George Orwell, you'll draw similarities between this government and O'Brien's government. This is some government control nonsense. I want to make a strong case also that I think it is in the nature of the current government to be a dominant force that is unshaken. Let me explain this. So the current government we have in Lesotho is made up of the richest men and women in the country. That's what it is. It is not in the true sense of a political party. It is people who have money, power. So they combined it, made the government. And Basotho being a population of generally young people, they got attracted to this luxury lifestyle, new political party coming into elections, and they voted for it and it won the elections. Plus also there were pushing factors from the traditional political parties that had been governing the country for some time. Basotho wanted to try different things, so they tried this one of electing rich people to take power, to take control, because they believed that they could make them rich too. And the slogan of the party that is ruling the country right now, it is Moruo, which translates to wealth. So they just shout it. They just shout wealth, wealth. So the leader will just shout wealth, wealth, and the supporters join the chant wealth, wealth, Moruo, Moruo. So that's basically it. It has no strong foundations or whatsoever. It's based on wealth and money. And I think citizens believed that if they could elect these rich people in power, these people would give them some of their wealth, a part of their wealth. Okay, let me come back to the point I was making. So the point is, I think that by the virtue of being rich and above everyone else within their locality or wherever these people were before they came into power, they are used to dominating and forcing things. Like if they want a thing done, the thing gets done, because that's what power gives you. So now I do not think they fully comprehend. I have reasons to support this claim. I don't think they fully comprehend or understand what it means to have a democratic government. Because from the onset, the Prime Minister... so I'm saying from the onset, the Prime Minister of Lesotho showed his hand. He showed that he does not care for opinions of citizens. When preparing for elections, in a democratic setting like Lesotho, citizens choose who to represent them in national parliament. But for him, he didn't want that. After our citizens had chosen who to represent them in national parliament, he removed those people and in their place put his own, claiming that he has elected them on basis of merit. So imagine this: you're from a certain area, and people in that area know someone they have confidence in, that this person is from our area, they are familiar with our problems, our struggles, our needs. We want them to represent us in the national parliament so that we have a proper representation in there. After working on that and agreeing on having someone who represents you, the leader of the political party that you're supporting comes in, replaces that person with their own person that they trust. Then again, you remember that we made a video. He reported on a very dangerous move done by the Prime Minister, by the leader of the Lesotho Defense Force, leader of the Lesotho Police, and leader of the National Security. They made statements on national television hanging the country's constitution. This was when the parliamentarians tried to pass a motion of no confidence in the Prime Minister in Parliament. The reason was that they wanted to change him because they lost confidence in his leadership. So he went on on national television to state that such a thing would never happen. He was supported by, after his statement, the National Police, the Army, together with NSS as a team of 3, went on national television also to make similar statements that they will not support that.
You cannot manage. I cannot manage to transfer the flag and constitution again.
Oh yeah, so let me not make this video too long, but let me say that I'm grateful that South Africa has not joined on banning speaking on Famo music. Yeah, so I'm grateful to our neighboring countries of Africa, and they're having elections today, which is exciting. We'll see what results they get. Yeah. Anyway, cherish democracy while you have it, and beware when you start losing it. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this video and raise awareness, especially if you're not in the country. Share it. Bye.